I'm Makayla. I'm Makayla. Today I'm making pineapple pie. First, we make the dough. We cream the butter and condensed milk together until it is light and fluffy. We add the egg yolks one at a time. Mix in the flour slowly. The dough doesn't stick to my hands anymore. It's ready! Time to roll. We divide our pineapple filling and dough into small balls. It's like Play-Doh! Now we wrap the cookies. Flatten a piece of dough in your palm, put the pineapple ball in the middle, and fold it into a blanket. Roll it into a smooth, round ball. We use a dough cutter to make a cross pattern on top, so they look like little pineapples. Then we brush them with egg wash. Mix the egg yolk with a little bit of condensed milk. We do this 2 times to make them extra golden. Put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. They look so Yummy. Good! Happy baking! If you liked this, press the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next yummy mess.